Okay, hello, first graders. Today we're looking at lesson 9-1. We are going to be working with one more, one less, and 10 more, 10 less. And we're going to find that on page 497. So we're in a new topic today, topic 9. Here we are, lesson 9-1. You can see that's page 497. And maybe more helpful is we have Daniel on this page and Marta with a workspace near them. I'm going to go ahead and read from the top and you can follow in your book. How can you use place value blocks to find the number that comes after 12? What about the number that comes before 12? Show your work, write the number. Okay, so they're asking us to use place value blocks to find both the number that comes after 12 and the number before 12. So what I can do is begin with my place value blocks representing 12. So I'm going to go ahead and write 12 here, and you can do this on your book. Okay. And then I'm going to show 12 with my place value block. So I can see I have a 1 in my tens place, so that's going to be 110. And I have a 2 in my ones place, so that's going to be 1, 2. Okay, so now they're asking me what comes 1 after. So 1 after means I would need to add another 1. So let me go ahead and do that here. So now altogether I have 13, right? 10, 11, 12, 13. I'll write that here, 13. Well, next they ask me to show what comes just before 12. So let me go ahead and write, I'll draw a line here. And now I'm going to write 12 again. This time I'm going to be thinking about what comes before. So I'm going to begin by making 12, 1, 10, and 2 ones. And the number just before that would have 1 less 1, right? So now I have 10, 11. The number before 12 is 11. Okay, so that was 1 more and 1 less than 12. Let's get some more practice with more and less on the next page. Okay, the top says show 1 more. So Daniel says 1 more than 25 is 26, and he has his visuals here, his models. 25 is 2 tens with 5 ones, and so 1 more 1 would make 26. Show 1 less, and he says 1 less than 25 is 24. So here he has 25 modeled once more, and one of those cubes is gone, right? So he's modeled 24. In the next 2 boxes, he's asked to show 10 more. So to add 10 more, you're going to need to add an additional rod. You're going to need to put 1 more in the tens place. So we have 25 here, 2 tens and 5 ones, that's 25. And 10 more, they add another 10. So now we have 10, 20, 30 plus 5 is 35. What about 10 less? Well, for 10 less, we're going to be taking away a rod. So here's 25 once again, 2 tens and 5 ones. And this time, to show less, they take 1 rod away. So now we have 1 rod and 5 ones, which gives us a total of 15. Okay, and he says 10 less than 25 is 15, to sum it up. All right, let's take a look at the guided practice. It's asking you to complete each sentence, use place value blocks if needed. So number 1, they give us the number 45 to work with. And so we're going to fill in each sentence as we go. 1 more than 45 is 46. Make that there. 1 less than 45 is 44. 10 more than 45 is, okay, so 45, remember 40, right? 4 rods and 5 ones. If I do 10 more, I'm going to be adding a rod. So our new number would be 55. And then 10 less than 45. So I'd be taking away one of these rods. That would leave us with 35. All right, let's take a look at number 2. The first sentence is 1 more than 17. 17 is our number. So 1 more is 18. 1 less than 17. Right? I'm going to take 1 away, would leave us with 16. 10 and 7 ones gives us 17. Now it's asking us for 10 more than 17. So if I add a rod, now I would have 2 rods, which would be 27. And then 10 less than 17 is, so I would take a rod away, and I would be left with 7. So notice when we're doing 10 more or 10 less, our ones are not changing, right? I go from 17 to 27 to 7, 45, 55, 35. My ones don't change when I'm just working with tens. Okay, let's go ahead and take a look at your independent practice. It's asking us to complete each sentence, use place value blocks if needed. And so I drew them here on our practice. There is some room here. If you're comfortable with that, you can. If it's better for you to use a whiteboard and marker, if you're using pictures of base 10 blocks, then you can go ahead and use that too. Okay, but you're going to be completing numbers 3 through 8 independently. And go ahead and use draw the pictures, as needed. All right, guys, that's the assignment. I hope you have a great rest of the day. Have any questions, you can always reach out, and I'll be talking to you real soon. Okay, take care. Bye.